Hello my Pinky pals, welcome to another video, or welcome to a video if you're new here. My name is Pinky, you can call me Pinky, that's what all my friends call me, and today we are doing doodles, some of which are based on you. You would have seen that pop up. Thank you so much for the suggestions, I really appreciate them. They gave me some really good ideas, even if some of them were scary, like gorilla. So I did draw them. I drew every single suggestion. It maybe doesn't look like it, but I did my best. So I did draw them all. You're very welcome. Thank you so much for these suggestions. If you guys have more for other videos, like if you have, H is coming up. Shocker, I know, like it's a big surprise, but it is coming up. It'll be the next one. So if you have any H suggestions, that would be great. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking back on my videos and you're like, man, she missed this or she should have done this, let me know in the comment section. Maybe I'll do like a lost alphabet series or something like that when it's all over. All the things that I didn't do, you know? You guys can call me out on them. Some of them I didn't do because I was like, I can't draw this. Like the gorilla. I had no idea what I was doing here. I actually had to look at a whole bunch of pictures of gorillas in order to figure this one out. And, you know, I mean, I don't know why I'm saying it like I'm complaining about it. They were adorable. So it is what it is. But yeah, I even got the gorilla in there, even though it looks a little wonky. It's fine. It's fine. And then, of course, this is the grapefruit is next, in case you didn't know, because it's, you know, almost impossible to tell what it is. I actually really like all of these doodles. I think they all turned out really cute. I think I could probably have made, like, a sticker set or something from these. I'm really digging, like, digital stickers now. I actually have a set on my Patreon shop right now, or I will soon. I don't know. I can't remember. I can't remember if I have it set to come out. No, I don't think I do. I have to do it Monday. It'll be out this week anyway. And it's the Sweet Treats, and it's really cute, and I'm really having a lot of fun doing like digital stickers and stuff. So I probably could have done digital stickers with the G doodles and stuff. Maybe I will. I don't know. Anywhoozits, we're continuing on with the grapes. I actually have a grape plant. His name is Gerald. He's a little bit handsy, but otherwise he is a perfect gentleman. Moving on. Yeah, ignore that. That wasn't weird at all. Everybody names their plants, right? I'm not the only one. I'm sure I'm not. Let me know what is your plant's name in the comment section below, because I guarantee you that you also name your plants. My two oldest are Gerald and Reginald. And yeah, actually I have Reginald Jr. is in my room right now. He's just sitting here looking at me. So I made this goose, and I just gotta say, guys, I'm really proud of the fact that I made this look like not a duck. I don't know if it looks like a goose, but it doesn't look like a duck, so that's exciting. And I do come back and fix its neck. I don't know why I forgot about it, but I did. So yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. The foot looks the exact same. Just draw it. And then a goat. I thought the goat was cute with the little horns and the like square. I went with square heads with a lot of these. I don't know what was going on. I don't know what was going on that day, but it is what it is. So what is new with me? Well, I am currently working on a children's book. I am also currently working on a book that actually it'll be coming out soon. I'm hoping to get it out before the end of the month. So maybe I won't tell you about that. It'll be a surprise. So I'm working on that. That'll be fun. And then what else am I doing? I don't know. I have my Patreon. You guys all know about that because I've been talking about it lots. If it's something that you're interested in, we do at least one tutorial a month. We do behind the scenes. I mention you guys on my videos. And we do different, like I do coloring pages, mandalas, extra goodies. I do all kinds of stuff. And I'm open to doing whatever as well. Also, you would have missed yesterday's live stream. That's totally fine. I'll forgive you. But next week, we're actually going to be doing our own paper dolls. So, I don't know why. I've really wanted to do this. Like I said, I don't know why. But I really, really do. So, next week, that's what we're doing. We're going to make a paper doll. And I'm going to make it so that it's for my patrons will be able to download mine for free, and then they can like print it for free and cut it out and do all that fun stuff with it. And then I want to try and do like some kind of a template or something for my free Patreon members so that they can like use it on the stream so that you guys can draw along with me and make your own as we go. I'm trying to think of something. I don't really know. So I'm going to do that. And yeah, I think it'll be a lot of fun. I don't know why I want to do paper dolls. I just had it in my head for a while now. So that will be on Saturday. So you're seeing this Sunday. So the following Saturday, come and watch us make paper dolls because it'll be fun. And I'm telling everybody. So now I can't not do it. Which is also, I think, part of why I'm telling everybody because I don't want to chicken out from it. But I think it'll be a lot of fun. So that's what we're going to do. And that will round up pretty much this whole month. Has been sweet treats over at the Patreon. That's what my members chose. So next month they chose, what's going to be next month? It's like Woodland School theme, which is really cool. I'm having a lot of fun with it. I actually color these ones as well. So in this case, what I did was I just set the line art layer as reference, and then you can just flood fill everything. You can just bring it over and flood fill all the colors you want and just kind of like point and shoot type thing. It's really handy if you have solid line art and there's no spaces, then you're able to just do it. I forgot the neck, so I just fixed it there just for my little duck or my little goat, my little goose. Oh my god. So yeah, it's a lot of fun doing it that way because it's just like very like point and shoot kind of thing, which is a lot of fun. And that's pretty much all the news that I've got. I don't really have anything new. I am getting close to 2,000 members on my, subscribers, on my YouTube. Yeah, I didn't know what color a goat was. It's not brown. Anyway, actually, you know what? I think some are, but I was like, no, not brown. That's not the vibe. I'm almost at 2,000 subscribers on YouTube, so thank you guys for that. We will do something special. If you have any ideas, drop me a suggestion in the comment section below. I am really looking excited. I'm really excited and looking forward to it. So much so I can't even speak. And yeah, I didn't really think I'd ever get to 1,000 members. So to get to 2,000 kind of blows my mind. I still am not at the hours yet. So I'm not monetized yet. So if you want to help the channel and you want to help me out and you want to support me in my art, but you're like, I can't afford it, like I have nothing that I can do, that is totally fine. You don't have to pay anything to support me or any artist that you like. You know what? Just watch the videos, especially lives. If you were there for me with lives, feel free to rewatch them because guess what? It doesn't count for the watchdowers. So all the watchdowers that I've had with lives, they don't count until the video is considered published, then it counts for its time. So with all of those times, I'm well past the amount needed, but they don't count it, unfortunately. So, you know, if you're like sitting there going, man, I wish I could support her, but I just don't know how, or anyone, you can always just watch our videos. You're literally doing it right now. So those who are, thank you. Those who are not, or who are only a little bit and want to, help out even more, feel free to rewatch those lives and rewatch the other videos. It does help. It really, really does, I swear. And I really appreciate it if you do. Obviously, if you've gotten this far, you're at least watching this one, so thank you. And if you have any other ideas or something that you would like to see me do, please do let me know. I'm always looking for new ideas. I would love to do more than just draw, to be honest. I would love to try different things for my art channel. I don't want it to just be a digital art channel. I've always wanted it to be like a little bit of everything. I just don't have a lot of time to do videos. So the drawing just is the easiest thing I can do right now. I am working on something else right now, and it's literally taken me hours upon hours, so I have to kind of work on it in between. But, it's going great. I love it. I'm just having a lot of fun, and I'm loving all the people that I've been meeting. I get people that are doing my doodles, because we do a doodle a day, right? So if you're on my Instagram, there's a doodle prompt for every day of the month and I have been doing that every month for years. So it's really cool to see what people have done, and like having, there's just so many. Like, I'm meeting so many new people, and it's just so cool. And I really think it's a lot of fun, and I don't know, it's just amazing. I never really thought that I would be, I didn't think that I would be this person that people would look up to for their art and things like that. So I just find it really, really special and really, really cool. And I just, thank you guys. Thank you so much. I wish I would have put a face on that garlic. He's the only thing I think without a face. Oh, I guess the guitar too. But either way, that's fine. Now I'm just drawing cheeks because, like, that's kind of what I have to do. You can't not draw cheeks. So, I mean, it's like a rule, I think. So everything gets cheeks. Some of them get big cheeks, some of them get little cheeks, but they all get them. And yeah, there's not much left of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed these cute little doodles, and if you drew along with me, let me know in the comment section below. Share them on your Instagram. I would love to see them as well. And don't forget to tag me. All of those links are in the comment section, in the description, along with like my Patreon, my Instagram, my Facebook, all that stuff. So if you want to join any of those so that you can say hi and we can chat, feel free to do so. I would love to do so. And other than that, guys, this is pretty much it. I'm finishing up the goat. I just want to say thank you to all of my wonderful patrons. Thank you so much for supporting me and my art. It means everything to me. It really, really does. And I can't thank you enough. So until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!